While you're probably at least passingly familiar with Bitcoin, what the heck are altcoins? With all the noise, and it's fair to say craziness, associated with cryptocurrency, all the new investors are in search of new coins that can one day match the success of Bitcoin and make them millionaires and billionaires. If you are looking for the same answer, then this video is for you. During the 2021 bull run, Bitcoin had multiple corrections. For seasoned crypto traders, days like this one are to be expected. For newer crypto investors, however, this may have caused some panic. While the paper hands have been panic selling, the experts have been buying the dip. Here's how you can trade like the pros while there's blood in the streets. These 5 altcoins can ultimately change your crypto portfolio, and you can become a crypto millionaire one day. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Crypto crashes and price fall. In the life of every cryptocurrency investor, there inevitably comes a time when they watch a significant amount of their money disappear in the span of a few hours or days. Often the wait is not long. Crypto crashes are so common, there's even a word for what steadfast believers, steeling themselves, try to do in the face of their inevitable feelings of panic. HODL. And so it was this week, when Bitcoin collapsed from a high close to $65,000 last month to $30,000, having dropped nearly 30% from the previous day, dragging the rest of the crypto market down with it. On Coinbase, the largest US crypto exchange, every single one of the dozens of digital assets available to trade was down an average of more than 20%, except for 2 cryptocurrencies pegged to the US dollar, which rose just slightly to $1. It's the kind of carnage that made the crypto markets look like the stock exchange ticker on Black Monday. It was hard to pinpoint exactly what caused the sell-off. Some blamed Elon Musk, who had turned the market bearish last week when he said Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin as payment, while others attribute it to China's newly expanded ban on cryptocurrency banking. Still others figured cryptocurrency was just being swept into the plunge in tech stocks as investors tried to dump risky investments amid worries that inflation will soon make a comeback. Of course, the crash also came at a time when there were more first-time cryptocurrency investors from financial institutions and companies that have loaded up on Bitcoin to Dogecoin buyers for whom this may have been their first experience with a major dip. Though the crash at the end of 2017 led to a bear market that lasted years, what some in the industry refer to as crypto winter, earlier investors remember the mid-2017 drawdown of 25% in a single day. The price then stalled around the same level for about 6 weeks before taking off on an epic bull run. Wednesday's collapse in crypto prices had many asking, is this the start of another bear winter for Bitcoin, or just a blip of a scare before the next all-time high? For the veterans in the space, this is an earthquake. It's a pretty bad earthquake, but we'll survive. You don't think it's time to sell? It's the time to hodl. According to experts, we're in the mid-cycle phase of a larger uptrend for crypto, not at the bottom or in a true bear market, nor at the top. And this will be one of those days that people reflect on from the cycle. Remember May 19th? That was crazy. It will harden the veterans, it will spook some people forever, but the quality projects will make it through. Those survivors will include Bitcoin and Ethereum, among others. Still, it's hard to predict whether Bitcoin goes up or down from here, at least in the coming days and weeks. Because Bitcoin produces no revenue and has no underlying business model, it's pointless to apply traditional Wall Street methods to come up with a value for what it should be worth. Rather, the best investors often rely on price analysis, looking at how investor behavior influences the market trajectory to predict where Bitcoin is going next. Now that we have talked a lot about the crypto crash, now let's move on towards the altcoins that have the potential to explode and are one of the best options to buy and hold during the dip. 5 fundamentally strong altcoins to buy. 1. Uniswap. Uniswap is the largest decentralized exchange built on Ethereum's network and allows users to exchange Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies peer-to-peer on the blockchain. Uniswap has also revolutionized the liquidity market with a futuristic tool known as concentrated liquidity provision. Let me explain this further. Uniswap has two main services: delivering and utilizing liquidity. Uniswap was released in the DeFi framework, and the UNI coin was released in 2020. Via the use of smart contracts, the protocol allows for automatic transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Despite its infancy in the market, the UNI coin has already reached major milestones, and it is now one of the DeFi coins to enter the top race. Since Uniswap was recently positioned as the first decentralized exchange to enable margin and leverage trading, market analysts believe this price is below its expected potential growth. Currently, Uniswap is worth $25.16, but expert traders believe this price will go much higher. 2. Internet Computer. Internet Computer is a relatively new smart contract blockchain that operates at internet speeds. Internet Computer's cryptocurrency was released only a few weeks ago and was created by one of the strongest development teams in the entire industry. If you haven't heard of ICP, it is understandable because it was launched in the market in May 2021. But since its launch, it jumped to the top 10 biggest market cap list. The value increased from $0 to $488 within a day. Internet Computer's price today is $145. In fact, many people are calling Internet Computer the next Bitcoin. 3. Cardano. Cardano is another Ethereum competitor and smart contract blockchain that was actually created by an Ethereum co-founder, Charles Hoskinson. Charles has put together a phenomenal team and plans to deliver smart contracts on their proof-of-stake blockchain later this year. Cardano is popular because it enables financial applications and decentralized apps. ADA's value exploded last year, starting as a fraction of a penny, then jumping to nearly 10 cents a pop. Cardano is currently the fourth largest crypto in market cap. As another part of its value add, Cardano validates transactions with low energy costs. A new DeFi ecosystem is sure to pop up on the chain when this happens, and tons of new value will likely flood in. 4. Ethereum. Ethereum is the leading global computing platform and the home of the decentralized finance revolution. Ether, Ethereum's cryptocurrency, is the second largest by market capitalization and is currently trading 40% below its all-time high, which was set only last week. This project has insane growth potential throughout the remainder of the crypto market cycle. For those of you who don't know, Ethereum, which originated in Russia, takes the currency as software concept even further. Ethereum is considered an application platform, rather than merely a digital analog of money. This will undoubtedly give you a headache, but it's worth paying some attention. The underlying architecture of Ethereum was designed to decentralize computing processes, to take the storage resources of cloud apps out of a single entity's hand and to distribute the storage resources across the entire internet. If this seems to you to have the flavor of the old peer-to-peer music sharing services, you aren't wrong. One very interesting aspect of this idea of currency as platform is that you can add intelligence to transactions. This opens the door to smart contracts, which are contracts built into the DNA of software rather than negotiated by lawyers. Once a certain condition is met, the currency itself can decide to spit out payments. Royalties are a good example. A smart contract can be built into a royalty currency app that decides that once a month, a certain amount of Ether would be distributed based on some pre-programmed criteria. 5. Polygon. Polygon is a project in the Ethereum ecosystem that aims to scale Ethereum this year. As Ethereum investors and haters are well aware, the high demand for space on the blockchain has led to some ridiculously high transaction fees. These transaction fees will decrease by over 99% on Polygon's Layer 2 chain, while retaining all the security and decentralization provided by the Ethereum Layer 1 blockchain. If you're bullish on Ethereum, Polygon is certainly one you won't want to miss out on. Ether can be mined essentially by providing the resources for the Ethereum platform. There is no top-end circulating supply of Ethereum, so inflation is definitely possible. These features make Ethereum an ideal option to invest in during the dip. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about these 5 altcoins? I would love to hear your responses in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.